Hello, Alicia here from Legally Techie, where we put law firms on the cloud by means of Google Workspace. Today, we're going to talk about Gmail. And without overloading you with all its awesomeness, we're going to show you 3 features that can help boost productivity within your firm. Labels, colors, and filters. So let's get started. So I have here open Gmail, and the first thing we want to do is create a label. So on your left hand side, you can click more and you can create a label. That's the quickest way, and because we're all about efficiency, we're going to just stick with the quickest way. Create a label. So we're going to create 2 labels. We're going to create Jackson versus Jane. So we have those 2. So we're going to put Jackson and Jane with a color. Now, adding a color allows you to visually see the labels in a very organized way. So I'm going to add the green color because this is a case that may win big bucks. And for Attorney John, if you're a paralegal or a legal assistant, you can go ahead and add a label, something bright you can remember, whether blue. Okay. So now that we have our labels and we have our colors, let's go ahead and create filters. So we can go ahead and create a filter this way. And this is how you create filters within Gmail. So let's start with Jackson versus Jane. We're going to go ahead and tell Google that any word that has the word Jackson versus Jane, we want to create a filter for that. Doesn't matter who is it from, no matter the subject line. If it has these words, you want it to have Jackson versus Jane. And you can even specify if it doesn't have these words too. So create a filter. And these are all the different automations you can kind of do with your Gmail. So we're going to go ahead and add a label. Jackson versus Jane. Even have categories. It's amazing everything that it can do. So you go ahead and create your filter. Now if you're a paralegal or legal assistant and you want every email from John to go to your inbox and be labeled this way, and if you're a paralegal or legal assistant and you want your emails to be filtered, whereas every time you get an email from Attorney John, it would automatically add his label. So what you do is here, I'm just going to use this one as a example. You wanted to create the filter. Of course, that's not Attorney John. And you want to add the Attorney John as well. Okay. So actually great because Attorney John is actually on this case, Jackson versus Jane. So create an email to contact. New case. Hi. So now you see here what it looks like in your email. Very organized and labeled, and you automatically can see. And this is so awesome too, now that you know all your Jackson and Jane emails are in their specific label, or you can call it folder as well. It can keep your email as a filing system and not a storage. And I really hope this helps boost productivity in your firm now that you have your emails more organized. More videos to come out soon. Thank you for watching.